Okay, so the next step I'm doing, we gotta use soapy water, just like Chris Fix says.
We can fix it.
Chris fix it.
And my name's Chris.
With some soapy water.
My name's Hobby. Nice to meet you.
Yes, it's a takeaway.
Sit on it.
Is that how you work out?
Yeah.
Can you lift up a little bit? Damn, bro, we're gonna start making money soon. Alright, so I'm gonna clean it down. I've already sanded it down twice. As you can tell, it's already pretty sanded down. So the next step is to clean it off with soapy water. I'm gonna make a nice little, nice and clean. And then we're gonna start using this. It's an adhesive one. I already explained it on the previous one. Gotta spray it for this kind of plastic. So yeah, on to the next step. So now that it's been dry for like a good ass minute, we're gonna start the primer. Nice little light.
What the hell? Yo, what?
What the fuck? Well, don't spray it like that. It came out really nice. It's gonna look good on the actual when it actually goes on the vehicle, because we did the OEM color that I had already. So we have to go buy more. One of the cans did fail us. It didn't have enough air in it, so I have to take it back, roll it down so we don't confuse it, even though nothing's coming back. So we're back at it again. New day, new gordito. We're gonna do the final part, which is just the clear coat. This is already ready to be put on. We let it dry up already. This is part for the rear, of course, you can already tell. But the color came out nice. We're gonna try to put it on and see if we have enough hardware to put it on. Most likely I'm gonna put up the front lip first, because my front lip is already break. Oh, this was already spraying. So we're already starting on the primer for the front lip already. It's coming out pretty good, it's already white. So as soon as we're done with the actual primer, we should get the paint done, and hopefully by tonight we should have the front lip on.
Pienso en ti, no más en ti, pinche pendeja. Y tú no me haces caso, porque tú ya te encontraste a otro pendejo.
Alright, so the next step, the final step, we finally got the primer white as heck. Now it's time for this food to shake. You're right there?
Huh?
You're right there.
Yeah, why? What's up?
What's wrong?
I'm alright.
Are you alright?
Okay.
Are you okay?
I'm alright. Why are you guys talking like that?
Harry Potter.
I just have to make the catch so I can put the fucking tires on the tag.
What color are we on? This is the second coat, right?
Yeah.
Fucking mint. What do you think?
I think it's pretty awesome, bro. Your car is very coming together. I like it.
Hey you guys, welcome back. I know we've been I should have been posting this. So I took off my bumper because I'm gonna sand it. I've been sanding that.
Sponsored by
So I've been sanding down the front bumper because obviously it has a bunch of rock chips and everything. It's pretty sand down, it's soft now, and as you can tell. So yeah, we're gonna start color paint matching. Hopefully I have enough paint. We're already done with the front lip. Looks pretty nice. And then the rear lip is also done. We should be able to have it on by tonight because we're going to a meet tomorrow and I want this car ready, looking mint as possible. So let's start getting to it. We're done with the primer now. Now it's time for the paint.
Is this one yours? Yeah.
Yeah. So it turns out to be blue. So we already mocked up the rear. We're not gonna wait until tomorrow until we get to my job because we visually can't see much, and then we also need more tools. And well, it'd just be better if we do it in the day. We're gonna be able to do the bumper tonight, and also the front lip. We'll be able to mock it up tonight and then have it back on. So we just gotta start painting. What do you gotta say?
Here, Night Reaper's garage.
Where you been at, fool?
Bro, I've been working on my car plans. I'm sorry, but
There's no gorrito chiste. What's the joke of the day?
the joke of the day for my Spanish speakers. ¿Qué le dijo una nalga a la otra nalga?
¿Qué le dijo?
Hay un soplón entre medio de nosotros.
If you don't know Spanish, I'm gonna put it in subtitles. I mean, it's not gonna be the same, but let's start painting. I ran out of paint already.
But I got enough for a base coat.
The one that wraps around the filter, that one works for like in certain situations such as in engine bay, so that the thing doesn't bend that well. Or it bends, but
I slammed to my knees.
yeah, so that's why I got the cloth. You just get an extension and use it.
We're finally on the last coat. Let's get it, Hugo. Let's get it.
Oh my god, I'm kicking shit.
I'm just looking tiny.
Thinking of fourth pick.
Okay. In my power sports one.
We finally let it dry now. We're ready for the last coat, which is just the clear coat. And who's gonna make the honors?
He just runs the crowd.
I know, bro.
Never seen him run till today.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm running away from your ass, bro.
He just made my life a lot easier. I didn't have to cut that off.
Move, bro, please. Stop being a bitch. We'll just fucking do it already.
See the Treehouse Sierra and
I thought I would just fucking run it up.
oh, it won't go no more. Fucking see it,
Oh, you scratched the paint.
did I?
Yeah.
It's all good. What's gonna happen?
I'm trying to end the video, but I don't know if I can't hear anymore. Huh? Did you say something?
Did we end up next to
I know out of all places, nobody is.
I can't hear anything. But this is gonna be the end of the vlog. Hope you guys like the kit the way it's looking. It looks nice. I'm gonna take a little edit of the way. We came to a meet because we're hopefully trying to sell some stickers. But yeah. So we're gonna keep walking around. It's gonna be almost the end of the video. I'm so glad you guys are hooking up, you know, staying with the vlog and everything. So late.